In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account currency in Vantage. Here's the key truth up front. You can't change the base currency on an existing Vantage trading account after it's been created. The currency you selected at signup, like USD, EUR, or another option, becomes fixed for that specific account. There isn't an edit setting to switch it later. This matters because your base currency controls how your balance, profit and loss, and margin are displayed, and it affects how deposits, withdrawals, and internal transfers are handled. The good news is there's a clean, official way to get the currency you want. The best and only effective method is to open a brand new trading account in your preferred currency, then move your funds across. To create the new account, log into your Vantage client portal. From your dashboard, choose Open New Account. You'll be prompted to pick the account type, such as Standard or Raw, based on your trading needs. Next, select your preferred base currency. Take a moment here to double-check the currency before you submit. This choice will be locked for the new account as well. When everything looks right, submit the application. Your new account will be created in the currency you selected and will appear in your portal alongside your existing account. Once the new account is ready, you can transfer funds from the old account to the new one. In the client portal, go to Funds, then choose Transfer Between Accounts. Set the source as your old account and the destination as your new account. Enter the amount you want to move and confirm the transfer. If the two accounts use different currencies, Vantage will automatically convert the funds during the transfer. Conversion fees or spreads may apply, so it's a good idea to review the displayed rate and any notes on costs before finalizing. For example, if your old account is in USD and your new account is in EUR, any money you transfer from the USD account will arrive in the new account already converted to EUR. You don't need to perform a separate currency conversion. The platform handles it for you during the move. To keep things smooth, verify the account type and currency carefully when opening the new account, and consider doing a small test transfer if you want to preview the conversion. Keep a record of transfers for your personal tracking. That's all there is to it. While you can't edit the currency on an existing account, opening a new one and transferring funds gives you the practical outcome you're after.